Hey guys, and welcome back. And today I am sharing with you, you could say, the last 5 kilos. That's how it feels like, of a weight loss. It just never goes away. That last 5 kilos is the worst, and that is where I'm at today. I am at that last part of my garage declutter. You've seen how bad it is. And yeah, this is just the last part, the last couple of baskets left. And I'm also just going through some of the stuff that I have kept that is no longer useful to me anymore, or it's actually no good at all. So I hope you guys enjoy, and it gives you that little bit of inspiration to get stuck into it now that we are getting into the autumn season, which is the perfect time of year in my opinion to get stuck into this sort of thing because the weather is not too hot and not too cold. Does this with their washing. I always put, like, say, Tahlia's stuff in the pile. This is like all of her sleepwear, so I always fold it in the piles of like the drawers that goes in as well. It just makes it so much easier when you're sorting through everything. Look at us, we are like matching today, aren't we? We've got our black tops on, our little denim shorts, and our pink work boots, and we're looking pretty trendy. But we've missed we have matching hairbands. Where are they, Tallywells? I don't know. I think Tals has decided that she's going to do Lego though for a while, so. Come on, guys. I have no idea what's one of these. I have spiders on it. Now, I'm going to share with you the final result. No, it's not like breathtaking amazing, but it is a lot better than what it was back in its day. As you guys have seen, this shed has been absolutely disgusting. And sometimes you do just need to break down these projects into smaller parts because they can be really, really overwhelming. So just tackle a little bit at a time, and then you'll eventually get there. And then you can get to the point of maintenance, and that's sort of where I would say that I'm nearly at that pretty much now. So without further ado, the final result. Okay, so this side has pretty well stayed the same. I did add, as you guys saw, some bits and pieces here because I had a basket of crap just over here, which was just full of stuff. So yes, I had to find new homes for the things I was keeping and then get rid of the rest. So yes, that is how this area here is looking. If you do want to see a full videos, I did full videos on making the bench and putting all this together. And I also did a full video on this as well. And then you'll see where this garage has really come from. And over here is where I grabbed a lot of stuff from. This was a lot of the renovation stuff. And I looked and a lot of it was bowed and it was unusable. And also I know how much I've got left of the projects inside and there's not a great deal that I'm going to be using. So the things I've kept were the cement sheeting for the toilet, and then I've also got a door as well. This is the back gates here for if I do re-access on there. So I need to keep that. And then over here is just more stuff basically. This is all the tiles, the spare tiles for the house. It just looks horrible, and I know I could get a unit like this and put it in and it would look way better stacked and off the floor, but if I go to sell this house, this will be staying here with it, like all the tiles that are for the house, and yeah, there's not going to be any use for me to take them with me, so I don't really want to buy 2 units when I know I'm only going to need 1. This is what it looks like from far back, and I'm actually pretty happy. Like as I said, it's not a huge transformation. The walls look so much better. Pretty much everything is out of the walls here, and I've given it like such a good clean. It's never been this clean in its life. Like seriously, so much cleaner. Now, this is all what's come out of today. So I have piles. This is how we've done it. I have 1 pile, and this pile will be going to basically going to the tip, unfortunately. As I said, a lot of it is bowed and unusable products. Otherwise, I would have honestly put it on this pile over here, which is my smaller pile, which is my donate giveaway pile. So I would have put it on here because I'm not going to be using any of this tile trim anymore. I'm finished with it, and I'm not going to be doing any more like plastering with that beading. So that is why I'm just going to put on the giveaway pile. I'll probably just advertise it on Marketplace and say free. But yes, that is where I'm at with that. And then over here is another little pile, and this is just stuff that doesn't belong to me that needs to be returned back to the person that I borrowed it from. But I am pretty happy with the amount of progress that has come about from today. So yes, this is what we're looking like from right back here. So yes, pretty happy. On my last decluttering video, I had a bag of keys, which I said I was going to go off and find where they belong to and stuff like that. And yes, I actually did, and I found the key to that cabinet. Now, this cabinet has not had a key forever in a day, and guess what? I locked it and then I couldn't unlock it. So I went to rehome some things in here. I haven't been able to unlock this for ages, and now it's stuck. Like, it's stuck because I had to bust it open. So yeah, anyway, it's always fun, the things that you find when you're decluttering, and it's always good because you end up finding like things that you're missing for years that you're like, oh yes, like now I can lock that cabinet and put some like more expensive things in there because I don't want things to get stolen. But yeah, now it's just not happening. So anyway, that's the story there. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and it's given you a little bit of inspiration to get out there and get things decluttered, because we are now in autumn in Australia anyway. So it's going to get to that really cold season in a few months. So I think this time of year is like the perfect time to get things done because it's not too hot, it's not too cold. So I think let's just get stuck into our gardens and the outside of our houses, and let's just make it happen while the weather's good. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll catch up with you guys for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.